Dude, come. Hey, no. Hey. Hey. I'm only holding it very, very lightly too. It's not like I'm yanking at her, like a lot of hard grip on it.
Show us the action that you use.
Just pull back or lift up.
Mm-hmm.
Sit. I suggest the safe collar for any dog. It made my dog a whole new dog. Sit. It's like a magical collar is what it is. It's what it feels like, a magical collar with them, you know?
Okay, how long did it take for the Safe Calm collar to work for your dog?
Like 5 minutes.
So we're in a situation where we have a dog that likes to bite in close proximity out of his comfort zone. We had to take him down because he lives with a pit bull, and we can't have this type of behavior because the pit bull will kill him. Okay? So what we're going to do is every time he displays this type of behavior, see that? First we have to desensitize. Bring the camera over here. We have to desensitize. Okay? Okay. See what I'm doing? Mm-hmm. Get a little close up of that. Okay? So I'm using a glove to do this. This has to stop. He's been doing this his entire life. Okay. Okay. This is very important that we get this out. I want to do as gently as I possible because he's older. Yeah, see, we don't. He's got to do that. All this, he's been doing this all his life, hasn't he?
Yeah, he's getting older. Well, my dad was never very nice to him.
Yeah?
No.
It takes a lot to get him to that point.
Well, it didn't take him a lot this time.
No.
Okay.
He doesn't like men because of my dad.
He's got to get over that. He can't act like that. He's gonna this dog is gonna eat him up if this goes on. Mm-hmm. Okay.
That's why he's been snatched up twice.
Yeah.
We knew, right?
3
He was the
times.
instigator.
3 times.
This is too bad.
Okay, you come back. See, he's gonna continue to do this, and if he does this to the pit bull is gonna kill him. And you said the pit bull grabbed him twice already?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Okay. I'm just gonna tire him out. I'm gonna let him do his thing here. Okay. But this has got to stop because he's living with the pit bull, and if he acts his way around the pit bull is gonna kill him. Move in a little closer. Or either it's me, I don't know. No, I won't know until I get the glove off. Right.
Oh, you're bloody me.
Yeah. Okay, this has got to stop.
He's not being hurt.
Okay. Now this is a side submission. You come on over here with me.
Yeah.
This is a side submission. What I did was just put him down on his side. And I'm doing it real slowly because he's older. Okay.
So them being on their side calms them down.
Well, it calms them down, but it lets them know that they can't hurt you also.
Mm-hmm.
And this is an extreme case. You know, I don't like to side submit. But when this dog is living with a pit bull, he can't have this type of behavior.
He could get himself. He could get himself
Right. I mean,
hurt.
he's one of the strongest little dogs. And I thought this was the good guy.
No.
Silent the deadly.
No one's ever done this to him before.
Right.
And he's shaking. And people look at this and say, "Oh, you're so cruel." But I mean, I mean, my goodness, what are you going to do? Let the pit bull kill him?
Right.
He has to be calmed down. All this energy in him is horrible. Okay, I'm going to walk him now. Just stay back. Okay, I'm going to be right back. I'm just going to walk him. Now we're going to see if Riley reacts to a hand coming near him a little better. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. Okay? Shh. All those years that this occurred is simply because we didn't correct it. Every time he bit someone, he moved them away or they moved back, which gave him what he wanted. So he figured this is what he would do from now on. Good job. Good job. You want to go for another walk?
When I was little, I tried breaking him and my other dog apart, and he bit my face. Was that my wrong or was that his wrong?
Michaela, it actually was the dog's problem. But what we didn't do was correct it. Anytime we have a dog like this that goes from frustrated to dominant to aggressive, if we don't correct each stage or any stage, we're going to get a negative result.